Presenting the 2003 Lincoln Aviator Premium. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver adjustable lumbar, floor mats, leather seats, passenger vanity mirror, running board side steps, passenger airbag, mirror memory, AM/FM stereo, and ABS. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.